Meaning of J. Arthur rank.
J. Arthur rank.
J. Arthur rank.
J. Arthur rank.
J. Arthur rank. J. Arthur Rank refers to a British industrialist and film producer, Joseph Arthur Rank. He founded the Rank Organization in 1937, which became one of the largest British entertainment conglomerates in the mid-20th century. The company produced and distributed films, operated cinemas, and also owned interests in publishing and real estate. The name J. Arthur Rank is most commonly associated with the distinctive gong trademark that was used to introduce Rank's films.